Hello students. Today we will study pair of linear equation, chapter number 3. Okay. So this chapter is going to be very important because I will try to explain all the concept related to pair of linear equation. Okay, so this video may be a little longer, so please watch full video patiently. Okay, in last video we studied about polynomial. We have completed this chapter, polynomial. Polynomial. We studied different type of polynomial: linear polynomial, x plus b; quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c; and cubic polynomial ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Okay, this is linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. This is quadratic polynomial, and this is cubic polynomial. It has maximum power 1, so it is linear polynomial. It has maximum power 2, it is quadratic polynomial. And this is maximum power is 3, so it is cubic polynomial. Okay, but now we will study linear equation in two variable. Linear equation, pair of linear equation in two variable. Okay, two variable. So here is a linear polynomial in one variable. Here is only one variable, this is x. If we add another variable ax plus by, okay, and a constant in place of b we put c. Okay, so this is linear polynomial in two variable. Linear polynomial in two variable, and we mark equal and put a real number. For example, 0 1 2 3 4 minus 1 minus 2, any number, let's say 0. So it will become a equation. So this will become linear equation in two variable. Okay, linear equation in two variable. So we can define it, an equation in the form an equation in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a comma b and c are real number, and a is not equal to 0, b is also not equal to 0. Okay, a and b not equal to 0. If a equal to 0, then this term will become 0, and by plus c, it will become linear equation in one variable. If b equal to 0, then this term will be 0, and this will become again ax plus c equal to 0, linear equation in one variable. If both a and b equal to 0, so these both terms 0, and this is only c equal to 0. Okay, so it is necessary that a and b are not equal to 0. Okay, so we take an example for this. वो sorry, a comma b and c are real number and a is not equal to 0, b is not equal to 0. Okay, is called linear equation, okay, in two variable. Variables are x and y. It may be p and q also, r and s also, whatever you want take. Okay, so let's say example of linear equation ax plus y plus c. If we take a, b, c, any real number, for example if we take 2x plus 4y plus 8 equal to 0. Okay, and we compare these two equations, then we will find in place of a here is 2 and in place of b here is 4, in place of c here is q. Okay, so a equal to 2, b equal to 4 and c equal to 8. Okay, we have studied this type of equation in class 9 and find its solution on the graph and find its solution and draw it on the graph. Okay, so this equation represented by a straight line. Okay, for example it represented a straight line, we find the solution. So this line have infinite many solution. For example if we find the solution of this, we solve this equation 2x plus 4y plus 8 equal to 0. We find the value of x in terms of y, or we find the value of y in terms of x. Okay, so we find the value of x in terms of y. So 2x, we will left 2x in left side and other two terms in right side. So it will become, both terms will become in minus 4y minus 8. Okay, and here is 2 in multiply, so 2 will be going to divided, x equal to minus 4y minus 8 divided by 2. Okay, take 2 as common from numerator, here minus 2 as common, 2 as common, minus 2y is in the bracket and 4 is left in the bracket, divided by 2, 2 cancel by 2, and x equal to minus 2y minus 4. Okay, and make a solution table and find the solution x, y. We put y equal to any number, we put y equal to 0. Okay, y equal to 0. Okay, so this term will become 0. We put y equal to 0, then this term 2 multiply 0, it means this term will be 0 minus 4. Okay, sorry, minus 4, 0 minus 4 equal to minus 4, so value of x equal to minus 4. And if we put y equal to minus 1, then minus 2 multiply minus 1 plus minus 4, minus 2 multiply minus 1, minus plus 2 ones are 2, minus 4 equal to plus 2 minus 4 minus 2. Okay, so we put y equal to minus 1 here and we find x equal to minus 2. Okay, so we can put many numbers, for example 0 1 2 3 4 5, 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5, and so many numbers in place of y, and find the value of x. So we can find infinite solution of this equation. Okay, but for drawing a line we have only 2 points, we want only 2 points. Okay, so we want only 2 points. If we draw this point on graph, फर्स्ट पॉइंट -4, 0 इन x एक्सिस, पॉजिटिव x एक्सिस, नेगेटिव x एक्सिस, ओके, पॉजिटिव y एक्सिस, नेगेटिव y एक्सिस. फर्स्ट पॉइंट -4, 0 x equal to -4, so -4 is over here, present suppose over here -4, okay, and 0 तो एक्सिस पर ही होगा, ओके. सो दिस पॉइंट इज हियर -4, 0 and next point is 2, 1 x equal to +2, y equal to -1. x equal to +2 is over here and minus y equal to is here, okay. So these 2 points we find here. So we find 2 points, this and this. We join this point, we can join this point and find this line, okay. So this line is a straight line. Join this point and this line. These points are -4, 0, okay, and 2, -1. This point is these lines shows a straight line. यानी ये लाइन जो है 2x + 4y + 8 = 0 एक स्ट्रेट लाइन को रिप्रेजेंट कर रही है, ओके. और लाइन लाइन इज मेड अप ऑफ इनफाइनाइट नंबर ऑफ पॉइंट्स, ओके. So we find only 2 points and draw the line. But we will study here pair of linear equation. Pair of linear equation means more than 2 equation, okay. We can say system of linear equation or simultaneous linear equation, okay. तो pair of linear equation. So we want 2 equation. For example, one is here, यहीं ले लेते हैं x + 2y - 8, okay, and other is 2x + 6y + 4 = 0, okay. So we can represent this equation. This equation represent a1x b1y + c1 = 0, and this equation represented by a2x + b2y + c2 = 0, okay. So these are pair of linear equation. First is this and second is this, okay. a1x + b1y + c1, a2x + b2y + c2, okay. So if we draw these equation on the graph, it may be like this, okay, or it may be like this, or we draw other is here, it may be like this, ओके. ये है 2 लाइन्स, तो ये इस तरह की हो सकती हैं, ओके. तो हम इसे नेम दे सकते हैं. These lines intersect each other at this point, so it is called intersecting line, okay. Intersecting line, ठीक है. तो ये 2 इक्वेशंस जो हैं a1x + b1y + c1, a2x + b2y + c2, ठीक है, यानी x + 2y - 8 और 2x + 6y + 4, ये इंटरसेक्टिंग भी हो सकती हैं, ओके. इंटरसेक्टिंग मीन्स यानी ये एक पॉइंट पर इंटरसेक्ट हो रही हैं. तो जिस पॉइंट पर इंटरसेक्ट होती हैं we get the solution for this point. So intersecting lines of equation has only one solution, okay, यानी unique solution, unique solution, okay, it has unique solution. And so it has unique solutions, so it is also called consistent equations, consistent lines. Remember, consistence, okay, consistence. Look, these two lines, देखिए है लाइन के ऊपर लाइन है, ओके, these two lines intersect each other at every point, here, and line is made up of infinite number of points. So this equation have infinite many solution and it is called कोइंसिडेंट इक्वेशन, ओके, लाइन के ऊपर लाइन है तो कोइंसिडेंट, कोइंसिडेंट लाइन्स, कोइंसिडेंट लाइन्स हैव इनफाइनाइट मैनी सॉल्यूशन, ओके, infinite many solution, and the line which has infinite many solution is also called consistent, okay. कंसिस्टेंट होने के लिए मिनिमम एक सॉल्यूशन तो होना ही चाहिए, ओके, मिनिमम 1, 2 हो, 3 हो, 4 हो, इनफाइनाइट हो, कितने भी हो, मिनिमम 1 हो, ओके. तो these two lines are consistent, okay. This is intersecting line has one solution, unique solution, so it is called consistent. And this is coincident lines has infinite many solutions, so it is also called consistent, okay. Here is parallel lines, okay. So these two equation represented by like this और रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय लाइक दिस, यानी ये इस टाइप की भी हो सकती हैं, ये इस टाइप की भी हो सकती हैं, ओके, और ये दो इक्वेशन इस टाइप की भी हो सकती हैं. कब होंगी, कैसे होंगी, वो अभी बताएंगे, ओके. तो ये पैरेलल भी हो सकती हैं, इट में बी पैरेलल, ओके. पैरेलल इक्वेशंस नॉट इंटरसेक्ट ईच अदर, ओके, ये कभी नहीं करती हैं, ये इंटरसेक्ट नहीं करेंगे तो देयर इज नो सॉल्यूशन, ओके. parallel lines has no solution, okay, और no solution यानी कोई solution नहीं होगा, there is no solution, so it is called inconsistent, okay, inconsistent. So we find these solution, these two we solve these two equation and find the solution, okay. So there are, so हमें कैसे पता चलेगा, how to find these lines are intersecting, coincident or parallel, okay. So इसको हम मालूम कर सकते हैं. हियर इज कोफिशिएंट, इनके कोफिशिएंट से, ओके, इनके कोफिशिएंट से मालूम कर सकते हैं. कोफिशिएंट ऑफ फर्स्ट इक्वेशन 1, वैल्यू ऑफ a1, वैल्यू ऑफ b2, वैल्यू ऑफ c -8, एंड इन सेकेंड इक्वेशन वैल्यू ऑफ a2, वैल्यू ऑफ b, वैल्यू ऑफ b6 एंड वैल्यू ऑफ c4, ओके. एंड फर्स्ट में वैल्यू ऑफ a1, वैल्यू ऑफ b2, वैल्यू ऑफ c -8, ओके, यानी a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, ओके. सो इनके कोफिशिएंट में कुछ रिलेशन बनेगा लाइक दिस. If we find relation between between coefficient of this equation like this, a1 upon a2 इक्वल टू b1 अपॉन b2 नॉट इक्वल टू और इक्वल टू, सॉरी यार, नॉट इक्वल टू, एंड c1 अपॉन c2। ये इक्वल भी हो सकता है और नहीं भी, लेकिन हम इस पर ज़्यादा फोकस करेंगे। a1 अपॉन a2 नॉट इक्वल टू b1 अपॉन b2। अगर इस टाइप का होता है तो हमारी इक्वेशंस होंगी इस टाइप की। ओके, दिस इक्वेशन इज इंटरसेक्टिंग इक्वेशन, इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइंस। ओके, इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइंस। इंटरसेक्टिंग होंगी तो कंसिस्टेंट भी होंगी। ओके, अगर हमें इस तरह से मिलता है a1 अपॉन a2 नॉट इक्वल टू b1 अपॉन b2 इक्वल टू c1 अपॉन c2, ऐसा भी हो सकता है। ओके, ऐसा भी हो सकता है। सेकंड केस, इफ यू फाइंड the relation between coefficients of both equations like this, a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2. Okay, so these two equation represent its line like this. Okay, it means coincident, and coincidence equations has infinite many solution, so it is also called consistent. Okay, इस टाइप की भी हो सकती हैं, remember it, it is very important. And third type is, this equation may be a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 not equal to c1 upon c2. Okay, remember it, a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 not equal to c1 upon c2. So these lines represented by like this. Okay, पैरेलल हैं, इंटरसेक्ट नहीं हो रही हैं. ओके, सो देयर इज नो सॉल्यूशन एंड द इक्वेशन विच हैज नो सॉल्यूशन इज कॉल्ड इनकंसिस्टेंट. रिमेंबर इट. ओके, सो रिमेंबर दिस थ्री केस. we use this case in this chapter. Okay, so we have any equation, for example 2x plus 3y plus 9 equal to 0. If we don't have any equation and we have any statement, or any situation, so first we convert this statement or situation into this form. Okay, and these equation suppose other equation, we let other equation 3x plus 5y minus 9 equal to 0. Okay, so these two equations are solved by 4 methods. Okay, remember the methods. Number 1, graphical method. Method number 2, substitution method. Method number 3, elimination method. And method number 4, cross multiplication method. cross multiplication method. We have 4 methods to find the solution of this equation. Okay, so first we take a situation and convert into algebraical form. Okay, any mathematical form. Take a situation. We take situation, a very simple situation. For example, there are 12 students in your class. Okay, in your class there are 12 students. Students means girls and boys both. So there are 12 students in your class, in which some of boys and some of girls. Okay, and other condition is we make two equations. Okay, so other condition is the difference between the boys and the girls, the difference between boys and the girls is 6. Okay, boys minus girls equal to 6. Okay, suppose boys is greater than boys, number of boys is greater than the number of girls. Okay, let number of boys be x, number of girls be y. Okay, minus 12 shift in left side, it will become minus 12 equal to 0. So we form first equation. Okay, here is boys minus girls इक्वल, वो शिफ्ट कर लें लेफ्ट में, -6. ओके, -6 इक्वल टू 0. दिस इज सेकेंड इक्वेशन. ओके, दिस इज सेकेंड इक्वेशन. सो व्हाट वाज द सिचुएशन? देयर आर total number of students in class 10th in your class is 12, in the number in which the difference of the number of boys to the number of girls is 6. So we have to find how many boys and how many girls are there in your class. Okay, number of boys in your class and number of girls in your class. You know answer already, but we will find these numbers, number of boys and number of girls, यानी x equal to number of boys equal to question how many boys and number of girls यानी y equal to. okay, ये फाइंड करना है हमें by 4 methods. okay, so we apply first method. What was the first method? First method was graphical method. Okay, first method was graphical method. So first take these two equations from equation 1. Equation 1 is x plus y minus 12 equal to 0. okay, find the value of x in terms of y or find the value of y in terms of x. it means x की वैल्यू y के टर्म्स में फाइंड कर सकते हैं. उसके लिए हमें y को एंड -12 को राइट में शिफ्ट करना होगा, और अगर y की वैल्यू फाइंड करें तो x को -12 को राइट में शिफ्ट करना होगा. ओके, किसी की भी वैल्यू फाइंड कर सकते हैं. वैल्यू उसी की फाइंड कीजिए जो पॉजिटिव वेरिएबल हो. ओके, यहाँ पॉजिटिव दोनों हैं, दोनों में से किसी की भी फाइंड कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो वी विल फाइंड x, वैल्यू ऑफ x इन टर्म्स ऑफ y. तो x इक्वल टू 12 यहाँ शिफ्ट होकर +12 एंड प्लस y शिफ्ट होकर -y. ओके, वी मेक अ सॉल्यूशन टेबल एंड फाइंड मिनिमम 2 सॉल्यूशन फॉर ड्राइंग द lines. Here is x, here is y. okay, first we put some value of y. For example, we can put 0, 1, 2, 3, whatever we put. okay, if we put here 0, so our answer will be 12. 12 minus 0. 12 minus 0 means 12. Yani if we put y equal to 0, then we will find x equal to 12. Okay, this is one solution of this equation. But we find value of x and value of y. This is value of y and this is value of x. Value of x and value of y some close to each other. Okay, अगर हम वैल्यू एक्स वाई की थोड़ी पास पास होंगी तो ग्राफ ड्रॉ करने में हमें आसानी होगी. ओके, so we put 6, y equal to 6. Okay, if we put y equal to 6, look, 12 minus y equal to 6. Okay, y के प्लेस पर 6 पुट कर रहे हैं, ये कर दिया. So value of x, 12 minus 6, 6. Value of x, we find value of x is 6. Okay, we put y equal to 6, then we find x equal to 6. Okay, other point, if we put y equal to 7 or 5, we will put 7 or 5, कुछ भी रख सकते हैं. Okay, if we put y equal to 5, y equal to 5, okay, then what will be the value of x? X equal to 12 minus, in place of y we put 5. Okay, so x equal to 12 minus 5, 7. Okay, so value of x 7. Okay, we find value of x and y, and take other equation. What is from equation 2? x minus y minus 6 equal to 0. ओके, x इक्वल टू, देखिए x पॉजिटिव है तो पॉजिटिव की ही वैल्यू लेंगे, नहीं तो अगर निगेटिव वेरिएबल की वैल्यू फाइंड करेंगे तो माइनस से हमें मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगी, तो एक दो स्टेप इंक्रीज हो जाएंगे. ओके, तो इस स्टेप को कम करने के लिए हम ऐसा कर सकते हैं. और हाँ, एक चीज़ और कि यहाँ पर कोफिशिएंट भी हो सकते हैं 2, 3. ओके, तो हम ट्राई करेंगे कि हम वैल्यू उसकी फाइंड करें जिसके साथ कोई कोफिशिएंट ना हो, यानी ओनली 1 हो. ओके, x इक्वल टू -6 माइनस वाई को राइट में शिफ्ट कर देंगे तो 6 प्लस हो जाएगा, माइनस वाई भी प्लस हो जाएगा. ओके, अगेन मेक अ सॉल्यूशन टेबल. x, y, we put y equal to 0. Okay, y equal to 0. If we put y equal to 0, then 6 plus 0, 6 plus 0 means 6. So x equal to 6. We put y equal to 0, we find x equal to 6. And we put y equal to -1. If we put y equal to -1, okay, plus -1. Okay, so 6 plus -1, 6 minus 1 यानी 5. So we put y equal to -1, we find value of x is 5. Okay, so draw the graph of this equation. Look here. What is our values of equation first? Value of equation first, 6, 6, 7, 5. Okay, 6, 6, x equal to plus 6, y equal to plus 6, x equal to plus 6. Here is positive x-axis, negative x-axis, and positive y-axis above and below is negative y-axis. Okay, these are negative numbers in x, and these are positive in x, and these are positive in y. Okay, so first solution is x equal to 6, y equal to 6. Okay, x equal to 6 and y equal to 6. So we find these point. This point approximate here. I do not have graph because of lockdown, so I have to do on this. You will do on graph, you will find exact point. Okay, so this point is 6, 6, 6, 6, x equal to 6, y equal to 6. Other point is 7, 5. Okay, x equal to 7, y equal to 5. X equal to 7 is here and y equal to 5 is here. Here is approximate we find here. Okay, 7, 5. Draw this line. We draw this line. Okay, equation of this line is x plus y minus 12, x plus y minus 12 equal to 0. Other line, we draw other line. Okay, other line x equal to 6, y equal to 0. Okay, y equal to 0. 0 होगा तो एक्सिस पर मिलेगा and x equal to 6. 6 is here, तो we get our first point here, यानी 6, 0. 6, 0. Okay, other point is x equal to plus 5, y equal to minus 1. X equal to plus 5 is here and y equal to minus 1. Here is minus 1, so we will find our point like here. Okay, 5, minus 1. Draw these lines. We draw these lines. Okay, these lines represented by equation x minus y minus 6 equal to 0. Okay, so these lines intersect each other at this point. Okay, intersect each other at this point. So if we draw perpendicular on x-axis, we got x equal to 9, and we draw perpendicular on x-axis, we get a point 3, यानी y equal to 3. Okay, x is the boys, हमने x को boys लेट किया था. Okay, y is equal to 9 and y को हमने गर्ल्स लेट किया था, गर्ल्स equal to 3. Okay, तो total number of boys, total number of students 12. Okay, in your school there are 9 boys and 3 girls. Okay, इस सिंपल सिचुएशन को थोड़ा और क्रिटिकल बना सकते हैं. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल देयर टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स इन योर क्लास आर 12. number of boys are 6 more than the number of girls. ओके, इस तरह से भी हो सकती है. किसी भी बात को कहने के दो तरीके होते हैं, एक उसको इजी लैंग्वेज में बोलते हैं आसान शब्दों में, और एक उसको थोड़ा घुमा फिरा कर यानी क्रिटिकल. तो आप पर डिपेंड करता है कि आप उसको किस तरह से समझोगे. ठीक है, और उनकी इक्वेशन फॉर्म करोगे. ओके, other method, elimination method, substitution method and cross multiplication, we take these example. ओके, यही एग्जाम्पल लेकर हम अगली वीडियो में इसके फिर से सॉल्यूशन निकालेंगे ताकि आपके चारों ही मेथड आपकी समझ आ जाएं. ओके, थैंक यू.